Now, ahead of 15th of August, there security has been beefed up all across the national capital, but especially at the Red Fort area where shipping containers have been placed. Now, clearly after what Delhi witnessed on the 26th of January in the protests, the violent protests that erupted in the light of the farmer agitation, shipping containers were spotted at the Red Fort entrance ahead of Independence Day celebrations. The police is saying that security has been beefed up for several reasons. It's been learned that these containers will be decorated and painted. Sources in the Delhi police also say that this is being done after the recent drone attacks that took place. My colleague Sonakshi reports from the Red Fort.
Ahead of the 15th August Independence Day celebrations in the national capital, shipping containers have been placed at the entrance of the Red Fort, which is an iconic and an historic spot in the country. Like every year, 26th January and 15th August, the two very important, significant national holidays, we see that the security is tightened up and is beefed up, and that is exactly what we will be seeing this year as well ahead of 15th August, just 1 week from now. The security has been beefed up at the Red Fort, but these shipping containers, we learn, have been placed because of the learnings and the lessons from the 26th January violence that erupted from the farmers' protest over here. Remember those visuals of hundreds and thousands of farmers that had entered the premises of the Red Fort because of the ongoing farmers' protest against the farm laws. But sources in the Delhi police have also said that this is also being done because of the recent drone attacks that have taken place. So clearly, because of security reasons, these shipping containers have been placed, but we're also learning that these shipping containers will be decorated and painted with the theme of Independence Day on it on the day of the celebrations. Of course, like every year, significant dignitaries and including the Prime Minister, of course, will be present here at the Independence Day celebrations. Keeping in mind, of course, COVID protocols, we will be seeing a different kind of a celebration this year. But yes, the security has been tightened at the Red Fort with these containers put up like a big wall at the entrance of the Red Fort. With camera person Musalin in Delhi, Sonakshi Chakrabarti for NDTV.